Today we are going to discuss about types of computer. Today is day 2 of this chapter 4. We have already discussed in the previous class types of computer. You have already seen the diagram. Once again I have written the diagram types of computer. Before going into detail, first of all I want to make you understand how many types of computer are there. Are you ready to learn, all of you? Yes, are you listening? Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Now, types of computer. First of all, you have to remember, if the question comes in the examination, how many types of computer are there, then this is incomplete question. How the question will come, do you know? How many types of computer are there? Or what are the types of computer on the basis of size? How many types of computer are there on the basis of purpose? How many types of computer are there on the basis of brand? How many types of computer are there on the basis of work? And how many types of computer are there on the basis of model? This type of question comes in the examination, board examination, BLE examination, basic level examination. Are you listening, all of you? Now I am asking to you. Now tell me how many types of computer are there on the basis of purpose? Two types. General purpose, special purpose. We have already discussed about general purpose and special purpose computer or not? Yes, general purpose means what? The computer which is designed to solve general purpose work, or for the computer which is designed for the general user is called general purpose computer, like laptop computer, desktop computer, PDA. These are what? General purpose computer. General purpose computer cost is what? Very high. No, it is inexpensive, not expensive. But a special purpose computer is what? Expensive type of computer. What type of computer? Expensive type of computer, like supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, hybrid computer. These are what type of computer? A special purpose computer. These are special devices. Okay? And you have already studied about a special purpose computer. And today we are going to discuss about, you know what? We are going to discuss about how many types of computer are there on the basis of size. Can you tell me how many types of computer are there on the basis of size? 4. Now, because you stand up, tell me how many types of computer are there on the basis of size? What are they? Very good. I have already written here supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, microcomputer. 4 types of computer on the basis of size. Size means, do you know in Nepali? Akar. Yes or no? Then supercomputer is the largest computer. The very largest computer. Understood or not? This is the largest computer. This is the second largest. This is the third largest. And this is the smallest computer. Have you understood or not? So that supercomputer I have written upper. It is written in top or not? Yes. Have you understood or not? Super upper. Because it is the most powerful. It is expensive. It can support thousands of users. Have you understood or not? Now I will explain. Don't worry. Next number is, how many types of computer are there on the basis of work? How many? 4 or 3? But sometimes the question comes like this. How many types of computer are there on the basis of function? Function meaning also same. Sometimes, how many types of computer are there on the basis of task? Same answer you have to supply. 3. Analog, digital and hybrid. Are you getting my point, all of you? Sometimes the question can come like this. Write the types of computer on the basis of working principle. Then which type you will write? Yes, analog, digital and hybrid. So do not confuse. You have to read the question properly. In DLE examination, this question is asked so many times. Sometimes write the types of computer on the basis of working principle. Write the types of computer on the basis of what? Function, on the basis of work. Question is same. Question is same. Now we are going to discuss. I am just going to tell you the types. And after that we will discuss about what? Do you know? Supercomputer, mainframe computer. Brand. How many types of computer are there on the basis of brand? 3 types. IBM PC, International Business Machine Personal Computer. Another IBM compatible means duplicate, we will discuss. This is original one, this is duplicate. And another number is what? Apple Macintosh computer. We will discuss about all the computer one by one. Okay, and I will give you all the important points. Last number I have written, how many types of computer are there on the basis of model? 3. I have written here XT, AT, PS2. Previously what? XT. There was no GUI based operating system. No GUI based. GUI, do you know or don't know? Graphical user interface. Previously there was no GUI based operating system. CUI. Previously XT model was used. After that what? AT. Nowadays what? We are using laptop, desktop. Personal system 2 we are using. So we will discuss about this also one by one. But today we are going to discuss about on the basis of what? On the basis of size. Now tell me once again, how many types of computer are there on the basis of size? 4 types. Supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer and microcomputer. Have you understood or not? Everyone have you understood or not? Are you getting my point? Now we are going to discuss about supercomputer. Which computer? Supercomputer. Supercomputer is the largest computer. Which is, what type of computer is this? This is the largest, fastest and most expensive computer, having extremely high speed processing, high processing speed. It has high processing speed. This is not general purpose. This is a special purpose computer. And it is designed to solve what type of calculation? Complex calculation. It is designed for scientific research. Complex computation, calculations, not simple calculation. It is a special purpose, not general purpose. Remember. And the next number I have written, it can perform how many calculations do you know? Trillions of calculation. Not thousand of a calculation in a second. Not millionth of a calculation, not billionth of a calculation, trillionth of a calculation per second. Have you heard about microsecond? First number millisecond, microsecond, nanosecond, picosecond, and after that do you know? Femtosecond. Do you know what you mean by picosecond, nanosecond? I have taught or not at the time of teaching what? Generation of computer. I still remember, I already said. First number I said millisecond. Millisecond means what? Thousands of a second. Thousand of a second. Then microsecond. Microsecond means what? Millionth of a second. Then what? Nanosecond. Nanosecond means what? Billionth of a second. Very good. Picosecond means what? This word have you found or not? Where? Have you understood or not? And another is also what? Femtosecond. Femtosecond means what? Quadrillionth of a second. Which second? Quadrillion, femtosecond. Remember, the speed of supercomputer is measured in flops. Floating point operation per second. Speed is very high. Speed, if you ask me, then trillions of calculation per second. Any confusion? Any confusion? Now next. Supercomputer uses how many processors do you know? Thousands of processors. It has the concept of server. I want to ask you, in your microcomputer, how many microprocessors are there? In our microcomputer, personal computer, that is also called which computer? Microcomputer. How many processors are there? Very good, only one. There is only one microprocessor in our computer. Then also you can think, then also you can see the speed of the computer is very high. Very fast or not. But in supercomputer, not only one processor. Thousands of processors are what? Integrated. Here is the concept of parallel processor. Which processor? Parallel processor. Parallel processor means not only one processor. A number of processors. Here thousands of processors. So that this computer can support thousands of users. How many users? Thousands of users. It has the concept of server computer. Now, it is used for what purpose? Weather forecasting, मौसम को भविष्यवाणी गर्नको लागि. It can be used for climate research. What type of research? Climate. What is the Nepali meaning of climate? Who can say? What is the Nepali meaning of weather? And climate? Okay, this is your homework. You have to find everything I am telling to you. Weather I already said. Weather means what? Mausam. Forecasting means what? Bhavishyaवाणी garnu. Research means खोज अनुसंधान गर्नु. But what is the meaning of climate? You are reading in science and you are forgetting Nepali meaning. Okay, in English you understand. Nepali, you have to tell me. Okay, now next number, you already know about artificial intelligence. This computer is also used for the purpose of making AI devices. Understood or not? Artificial intelligence, machine learning, biomedical research, drug discovery, launching rockets, testing bombs and missiles. These all are the purpose of using supercomputer. Have you understood all of you? Now next, these all are the examples. Frontier, these are the name of the supercomputer. This is the supercomputer of USA. Param, this is a supercomputer. This is also the name of Param Siddhi AI. This is the name of the supercomputer of India. So this I have written here the name of the supercomputer. Lumi, Tianhe 2A. This is also the supercomputer of China. These are the name of the supercomputer. Examples of supercomputer. Have you understood or not? Any confusion? Arab? Any confusion? No. We are discussing about which computer? Mainframe computer. Mainframe computer is the second largest computer. Second largest computer. Stand up, Nisu. This is the computer of, I already said, this supercomputer is developed from which country? Don't speak anymore. I'm just checking, are you listening to me properly or not? Param Siddhi AI. This supercomputer is designed from which country? Nisu, she was not listening. Pratibha, I'm asking to Pratibha. Okay, Pratibha, say. Param Siddhi AI, this supercomputer was developed in which country?
India.
This supercomputer belongs to India. It's like, thank you very much. Clap for all of you. Yes. All the students are listening to me, but few students sometimes they think another. They think about another. Physical project only in the class, but they are thinking about another thing. Yes or no? Then you cannot learn. You cannot understand. Pratibha said. Now, I want to ask. Now, Birbal, you stand up. This is also the name of the supercomputer, Tianhe 2A. This supercomputer belongs to which country?
China.
Very good. Clap for him. Thank you very much. Sit down. Now, last one question I want to ask to Nishant. Stand up. Nishant, can you tell me what is the Nepali meaning of forecasting? Bhavishyaवाणी garnu. Thank you. Clap for him also. Thank you very much. It means actively. It means actively you are listening to me. Actively. Nisu, you have to listen to me. See, I asked so many students. They said the answer. It means you are listening to me. Good. And mainframe computer is the third largest or second largest? Second largest. And remember, this second largest and most expensive computer having massive storage. It has also massive storage. And processing power is also what? High processing speed. It is used primarily by large organizations for bulk data processing. Do you know what you mean by bulk data processing? Bulk data processing. Bulk data means what type of data is called bulk data? Large, very large volume of data. Large amount of data. Understood? In bank you can see only 5 and 10 customer data or lakhs and lakhs of customer data. Lakhs and lakhs or not. In bank you can see, if we talk about Nepal Rashtra Bank, there are lakhs and lakhs of account holder data. Yes or no? And that data is called what? What type of data? Bulk data. Which data? Bulk data. Large amount of data. Huge amount of data. Have you understood all of you? And another is called critical data. Also I have written. Critical applications. There are some critical applications. Like I want to give one example. In bank, in organization, they have to keep the record of daily transaction or not. In business, they have to keep the record of daily transaction or not. Then which computer is able to perform this type of critical application? Mainframe computer. Now you can see ATM card is also, ATM machine is also installed or not. In the bank, ATM machine is installed. Yes or no? What type of application do you? Critical applications. Mainframe computer is handle bulk data as well as critical applications. It has also large storage capacity, massive storage capacity, and it is designed for high volume of I/O operation. I/O means what? Output operations. Operation means what? Chirfar. Operation means what? Work, काम, task. I/O operation, job. Okay, now it is mostly used by which organization? Governmental organization, large organization, governmental organization. Like I already told you, the government of Nepal brought IBM 1401 for the population census of 2028 BSR. IBM 140 belongs to which type of computer? Mainframe computer. After that, in 2038, Nepal government has brought ICL 295010, this computer. This is also mainframe computer. Have you understood, all of you? So next day, you have to read about supercomputer and mainframe computer. Today I will call you here and you have to explain. How many of you are ready? Raise your hand. Tomorrow, how many of you can speak here? Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.